The Salesforce Platform App Builder exam, Plat-Admn-202, has been refreshed for 2025. You'll face about 60 multiple choice questions in roughly 105 minutes, with a passing score near 63%. The registration fee is $200 and retakes are $100, now delivered through Salesforce's unified web assessor platform. The content is officially divided into Salesforce Fundamentals, 23%, User Interface, 17%, Data Modeling and Management, 22%, Business Logic and Process Automation, 28%, App Deployment, 10%. New updates add advanced automation Salesforce functions, flow orchestration, and enhanced flow builder plus AI with Einstein, stronger custom metadata and integrations, and more focus on the app lifecycle with CI/CD. Core skills like data modeling, security, and UI remain vital, but these advanced areas are now key to passing. In this video, we'll practice 10 updated MCQs from the 2025 version of this exam. If you want full-length practice tests with the latest question bank, visit pass4success.com where you'll find complete updated exam prep. Alright, question 1. Which feature helps you deploy metadata changes from one Salesforce environment to another without writing code? Change sets, data loader, schema builder. The correct answer is A. Change sets. Let's understand the concept. Change sets are a point-and-click way to move metadata like objects, fields, and flows between connected Salesforce orgs. They're most often used to move changes from a sandbox to production without touching code. Moving on to question 2. What's the primary benefit of using record types in Salesforce? To assign custom page layouts and picklist values based on profile. To control object-level permissions for a user. To enable record locking in workflows. The correct answer is A. To assign custom page layouts and picklist values based on profile. The thinking here is that record types let you tailor the user experience for different groups by controlling the page layout and picklist values they see, aligning the interface with each business process. Here's question 3. Which Lightning component is ideal for displaying a filtered list of records on a Lightning page? A. Related list. Single. List view component. Visual Force page. The correct answer is B. List view component. Here's why. The list view component allows you to display a filtered, customizable list directly on a Lightning page. It's quick to configure and doesn't require development effort. Question 4. A customer wants a branded mobile app experience for Salesforce users. Which tool supports this without code? A. Lightning App Builder. Salesforce Mobile Publisher. Flow Orchestrator. The correct answer is B. Salesforce Mobile Publisher. Let's break it down. Mobile Publisher lets organizations publish a branded version of the Salesforce mobile app complete with their logo, colors, and name, creating a seamless brand experience. Now, question 5. What's a limitation when creating a master detail relationship between two objects? A. The child record must have an owner. The child record inherits the owner and sharing settings from the parent. The parent record must be created after the child. The correct answer is B. The child record inherits the owner and sharing settings from the parent. This is because in master detail relationships, the parent controls ownership and sharing. The child cannot have separate ownership or sharing rules. On to question 6. What's the best way to ensure data integrity when two objects share a many-to-many relationship? A. Create a junction object with two master detail relationships. Use a lookup relationship on both objects directly. Enable external object mapping. The correct answer is A. Create a junction object with two master detail relationships. Here's the concept. The junction object acts as the link between two other objects, allowing each record from one object to relate to multiple records in the other. Question 7. Which automation tool is best for guiding users through a multi-step process that collects and updates data in Salesforce? A. Flow Builder. Workflow rules. Validation rules. The correct answer is A. Flow Builder. The thinking here is that Flow Builder can create interactive, guided processes that gather user input, update records, and trigger actions in a sequence ideal for step-by-step guidance. Question 8. What's the primary difference between workflow rules and process builder? Workflow rules can update related records. Process builder cannot. Process builder can evaluate multiple criteria and perform multiple actions. Workflow rules cannot. Workflow rules can trigger platform events. Process builder cannot. The correct answer is B. Process builder can evaluate multiple criteria and perform multiple actions. Workflow rules cannot. Process builder is more powerful for complex automation, allowing multiple branches and actions in one process, whereas workflow rules are limited to single criteria, single action logic. Question 9. Which feature ensures certain field values meet a specific condition before a record can be saved? A. Approval process. B. Validation rule. Assignment rule. The correct answer is B. Validation rule. Validation rules check that data entered into a record meets specific business criteria. If it doesn't, the save is blocked and the user gets an error message. And finally, question 10. Before deploying changes to production, which step is considered a best practice? Deploy directly to production during peak business hours. Test in a full copy sandbox that mirrors production data. Avoid regression testing if new features are small. The correct answer is B. Test in a full copy sandbox that mirrors production data. This ensures you can simulate real-world conditions and catch issues early, reducing the risk of problems when the deployment goes live. And that's a wrap. We just practiced 10 updated MCQs from every key exam area, including the latest topics in automation, AI, and integrations. For full-length practice tests and the complete updated question bank, head over to passforcesuccess.com, your shortcut to certification success.